An employee at Milwaukee Tool in Wisconsin is accused of stealing more than $1 million in tools from his employer. According to local reports, investigators say the employee had the tools shipped directly to his home, but never paid for them. Milwaukee Tool, the Brookfield-based company known for having a generous program for employees to buy deeply discounted tools, uncovered the plot earlier this year. According to a search warrant, the employee works at the company's new $30 million corporate office that it announced back in May 2021. The worker allegedly created and deleted some 115 orders from March 2024 to March 2025. Of those orders, 109, all but 6, were delivered, and they were valued at $1,086,263.85. The staffer flew under the radar for a year, but then he got greedy and sent about 9,000 pounds of tools to his nearby apartment. And Milwaukee Tool wasn't the one to flag the shipment. It was the shipping company that found the sizable shipment peculiar and notified the company. The alert triggered an investigation that remains ongoing. While the worker hasn't been charged yet, some speculate that the scheme could involve area businesses that helped the employee move the tools. The alleged thief has been fired, the company says, for, quote, abuse of our employee purchase program, which reportedly offers workers discounted tools that range from 30% to 50% off of retail prices. The company says it has, quote, zero tolerance for any kind of theft. The plot is a dark spot for a tool maker that celebrated its 100th anniversary last year and opened its largest manufacturing facility in the United States last October. The $60 million, 500,000 square foot facility will employ more than 800 people in Mississippi. Let's hope none of them are shipping 4.5 tons of tools to their homes. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.